Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a comprehensive review of Ramp, a leading finance automation platform designed to help businesses manage and optimize their spending. We'll explore its advantages, disadvantages, and provide a final rating out of 10. But first, a quick disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for informational purposes only. Please verify details directly with Ramp for the most current information. This is not financial advice. Always conduct thorough research and consult with official advisors. The opinions expressed are personal and do not constitute official endorsements. Advantages of Ramp Comprehensive Spend Management. Ramp offers an all-in-one platform that integrates corporate cards, expense management, bill payments, and vendor management, streamlining financial operations for businesses. Cost savings. The platform is designed to help companies identify savings opportunities, with some users reporting an average reduction in expenses by 3.5%. Automation and efficiency. Ramp automates routine financial tasks such as receipt collection and expense categorization, allowing finance teams to close their books up to 8 times faster. Real-time insights. Users have access to real-time spending data and analytics, enabling informed decision-making and proactive budget management. No fees. Ramp does not charge fees for its services, including issuing corporate cards and using its software, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses. Disadvantages of Ramp Limited international support. As of now, Ramp primarily serves U.S.-based companies, which may limit its utility for businesses operating internationally. Integration limitations. While Ramp integrates with various accounting software, some users may find limitations depending on their specific systems and workflows. Credit requirements. Access to Ramp's corporate cards may be subject to credit approval, potentially limiting availability for startups or businesses with limited credit history. Learning curve. Implementing a new financial platform can require time and training for staff to fully utilize all features effectively. Dependence on technology. As a digital platform, Ramp's functionality is reliant on internet connectivity and system uptime, which could be a concern for businesses in areas with unstable internet access. Final rating. Considering the advantages and disadvantages, we rate Ramp 9 out of 10. Its comprehensive features, cost-saving potential, and automation capabilities make it a strong choice for U.S.-based businesses looking to optimize their financial operations. However, companies should assess their specific needs and consider the potential limitations before implementation. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.